Going up.
These are the elevators at the AC Hotel in Washington, D.C. We got some KONE elevators. They're carded and locked off.
Penthouse.
So we go to this.
Going down.
They weren't carded before, but they are.
Seventh floor.
Stop at 7.
Going down.
Looks like someone called up and found that on another elevator.
Lobby.
It ends up right here.
Going up.
What am I doing?
Eighth floor. Going up.
Probably will end it here, but we're just gonna take one more ride. So the sea level is locked off.
Penthouse.
Every floor is locked off. They're fully key carded. They're not smart keys, so that's good.
Going down.
Door close button does not work.
Lobby.
Here we are at the lobby, and we're gonna end it right here. That's it.
Going up.
I think he stayed when she was going to home.